blay pibaro ngidei kasur jong pajba ngikwa banyathu shapi ba kini kisngi kibrang shulet ngila yo ikakubor ba weu doctor ubakrteng Dr. Rashid Batar ula klad no hakar putrik jong bunai jemang arajar arpulai ka jingklad jong new doctor kalalong ke ike balapen kendit baha ikibriu ki babut yu lada pidang kan mau hake episode kabakat san kabagila pelat haus nem arajar arpo ngila batai pi ban ngila pen EP sepang u Dr. Rashid Batar yakitu ki bompat pet yakani ke episode kabakat san pila ban pet yaka hagani ka channel ka jongi ngin pen EP Kyndit sepang ki jingkren jong new doctor na ka to ka episode kabangila pelat.
I will show you the actual patents that exposes the coronavirus not only having a patent, but having multiple patents. And these patents have been filed years ago that got perfected in November of 2019, the month before COVID-19. From what it appears right now, we're the only ones on the entire planet of the 7.7 billion people that really have proof of what is truly happening. I'm not here to convince anybody. I'm not here to put words in your mouth. I'm not here to put thoughts in your head. I'm only here to show you what you can see with your own eyes and then let you decide what truth is. Takes us to the patents. This is all the papers on coronavirus that have been published since 1968. So how is it possible that with all this research done, there could be actually a patent? And that's actually what the previous doctor had talked about, the coronavirus patents. Okay, so here's a patent for severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus, and this is a US patent that he talked about that was then ended up being sold to GlaxoSmithKline. But then there was also a European patent. A European patent, this is what I want you to see. This is very interesting. This patent is owned by a company called the Pyrshah Institute. This is the European Patent Office, as you can see right there. I'm going to make it even bigger so you guys can see it. European Patent Office. And this is a patent, EP3172319A1 on coronavirus. Now, what's interesting is that this particular one here, this one, again, by the way, look at the application numbers. These are, if you look at who owns these, they're all, applicants are all this Pyrshah Institute. I wonder who this Pyrshah Institute is. Some of you could probably guess, but this is Pyrshah. Now, so let's look up who Pyrshah is. So let's go to the Pyrshah and see. Ah, look at this, Pyrshah Institute, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Interesting, huh?
Hakituki por basa priang uknyang jingpang COVID hakaperthai barokaway u Dr. Rashid ula yang Pyrshah barula persyang ban pensunguthu ikibriu bakim deiban ayu COVID vaccine but baka khlam jingpang COVID-19 kadei tangka scam u Dr. Rashid ula le ekaway ki interview but ka CNN but hadian ganik interview ula pen penapad ba ula sa IB lani bala don ba poison you Ulong babon na kibriyo ki ba ayu ni injection kin sayap host nem arajar arpsan. Ulong ru bola siya ay da gabi kabaklan arspa siya banya katu gabi kabadon how vaccine. Ulong ru ba emdon manu balapan penbori uban ayu ni injection but deban siat yap yu lara ki kwa ban le kumta. Hadien kini ki interview ba ula ay. Hadien ki videos ki ba mu ula pelad bola pen sapriang sikipad ba. Yaka jing shisha. Bad menta ma ula Shah Pyniap. Ki babun ki doctor, ki babun ki conspiracy theorists, ki babun ba kita ki whistleblowers, ki ba yale banyathu yaka jing shisha, hangani ka perthai, bun na ki ba Shah Pyniap. Pindawad ki videos jong new doctor, badi ki videos ki bedai, shapang, injection, COVID. Pinumlap, namarba, kila wenglot, ki yale banburi yaka jing shisha. Kaperthai kadika circus, bad mangi ki briu, ngilong, ki marat ki blashate kinjri haka, wad yaga jing shisha. Lano Ngin Kyndit.